we just want to make it ours. One thing we really hate about this backyard is this fence. So we're gonna go to IKEA now. You okay down there? Whoa! Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. If you're new here, my name is Beck. Today I'm bringing you guys a super exciting video. We are actually planning on redoing our backyard this weekend. So something really different for us. So as a lot of you know, we've just moved into this new house. It is a rental, so we can't do any like permanent fixtures or any big changes. But we just want to make it ours. We just want to give it a little bit of a makeover and just make it fun for us, fun for the kids. Yeah, just put a personal touch on it. So this weekend, that's our goal. We're going to go head out, look at some furniture, maybe take the kids to the park. I'm so excited to take you guys along with us. Me and Justin have been up all night talking about what we'd like to do, but we don't really know what's out there. We are also working on a really tight budget. Obviously outdoor furniture, outdoor accessories, everything is quite expensive. So we're only gonna do what we can. Yeah, so let's go have a look at what we're working with now so that I can take you guys out, show you what's at the shops and see what we come up with. So when we walk out, we've got the 2 chairs from Kmart and a little table here, cubby house and a little trampoline. We have a gas port here, so we're hoping we can get our hands on a nice barbecue. Our grass is really long at the moment. One thing we really hate about this backyard is this fence. So it backs onto the school, which is fine, but it just makes the backyard look so rough and just unfinished. So we've got all this grass area here, and then down the side we've got our clothesline and then access to our garage. So it's a bit all over the place at the moment. So obviously down the side here is not going to be our biggest priority, but I would like to put sort of like, obviously normally there's clothes here most of the time. So what I would like to do is, because we have our laundry door here as well, so there's 2 access points to this area. I would like to put some form of seating here. Andre does like to play out here with his trucks, so it actually does get used. So I'm thinking like a little chair out here. I don't know, not too much because as I said, our budget isn't huge. And then when we come around here, I'm hoping to put some form of seating in this corner. Not really sure yet. I was hoping to find like some day beds or something like that, but the backyard's not very big, as you guys can see. So we don't want to close it in. We still want the kids to have somewhere to sort of hang out. We'll probably put some form of seating here though, just because it will look nice when you look out from the backyard. Yeah, looking to get a barbecue and maybe a dining table for outside. So our biggest thing is going to be blocking off this fence. It just looks so rough. So as I said, it's a rental, so we're not going to be spending heaps of money on permanent fixtures. So let's go head out to the shops now and see what we can come up with. So we're just about to pull into Bunnings. So the first thing we want to sort of look at is stuff for the back fencing. So we're going to look at what sort of privacy screens they have and sort of just look at a little bit of their outdoor furniture, because I think it's cheaper at Bunnings than anywhere else, surprisingly. It's crazy, hey? Yeah. And then we're going to IKEA. So I don't think we're going to buy anything at Bunnings now. We're just going to have a look, go to IKEA and compare the two. And yeah. So we are just leaving Bunnings now. They didn't have much stock of anything that we wanted, so we were looking at some bamboo slats in like a really light colour. Didn't have any in stock, even though the internet said they did. Wow, this camera's wobbling a lot. And they didn't have the table that we were looking at because it's a special order, so we don't know if we want to wait for it or if we can find something at IKEA. What else did we look at? Barbecues. Barbecues is probably the only thing they had, but I think we can get one closer. So we're gonna go to IKEA now and see what we can find. We might end up getting everything from IKEA, but IKEA is also quite expensive. So we'll see how we go. Are you right there? Are they yummy grapes? Hi, Phoenix. Hi, Phoenix. Hi, Phoenix. Ta. Tata? Tata's driving the car.
More grapes.
We've just had a kebab for something to eat, and I've got my Zarafas coffee. Mind you, I've never even heard of Zarafas until I got to the Gold Coast. Now it's my everything. It is so good. But yeah, we were really underwhelmed with like IKEA and Bunnings. We were shocked. We thought we'd be the opposite and not know what to do. But yeah, we just didn't like really anything, did we? However, we are going to another Bunnings store now to pick up some screening for the back fence. It's been really hard to get our hands on actually. We've also just ordered our back dining table, which is really exciting. We really like it. It's one of our bigger purchases that we've ever done, but that's okay. It's nice to treat ourselves every now and then.
It should look good though.
It should look nice.
For the price tag.
Yeah, not bad. Not bad. The only problem with that is that we've had to order it, so we won't be able to get it for like 3 to 7 days. So that sucks. So the backyard definitely won't be finished in the 2 days. Like it's 5 o'clock now and we're still not home. It's probably going to be more like a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. But we're still going to do it. It's still going to be a fun little project. It's very exciting. But yeah, so tomorrow we'll go go pick up some other things, I guess. Tonight we're just gonna have to decide exactly what we want. Barbecue and some bamboo slats, and now I'm in the back seat with the kids, and the boot is chockers near to the roof, and poor little Andre has bamboo slats that run the whole way through the car. You okay down there? So we're finally home. So after a really unsuccessful, underwhelming day, we bought ourselves a barbecue. So I went into Bunnings and said to the guy, this is the one I want, can you bring it down the front to me? He brought it down, I'm looking at it, I'm like, my goodness, that's huge. Anyway, paid for it, walked out, I'm sitting in the car and I'm going, something doesn't feel right. I looked at the receipt and they'd given me the wrong barbecue. It was like 3 times the price I wanted to pay for it. So we got all the way home, dropped the kids off, and then Justin had to go back and exchange it. So we finally have the right one, and Andre thinks it's fantastic that we've got a big box in the garage. And then we bought some bamboo screening for the back fence. So we were hoping to at least get the screens on the fence tonight, but just our luck, it's raining now. So yeah, if the rain dies down, that's what we're going to be spending our night doing. Don't know if we should put the barbecue up until we've accomplished a little bit more in the backyard. Not quite sure yet, but we'll just have to see how the night goes, and hopefully tomorrow's a little bit more successful. We at least know what we want now, so yeah.
Wow, what's in here, mate? Ready, what's that? Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Wow!
Wow.
What are you doing?
Please.
Okay, this is dangerous. Careful, careful, careful. Oh my goodness. Careful, little. Phoenix is only little. Okay, enough. Hi, so it's now Sunday afternoon. We have had a much more successful day so far. Nothing's done in the backyard yet, but we've been shopping all morning and we finally got some things. So we're actually now ready to put things in the backyard, change up a few things. So unfortunately, as I said earlier, it's not going to be finished this weekend. I don't know what we were thinking we were going to be able to complete a whole backyard makeover in 2 days with 2 kids and no stock in the shops. But you know, we had high hopes. It's always good to be positive. We have some stuff on order that we really like, but it might take up to 14 days to get it. So that's a bit of a bummer, but whoa! Damn. But, I nearly stacked it. But as I said, we have been shopping today and we have filled our garage with stuff, so we can definitely get a start on things. So we went to Bunnings today and we got a bench. We got some chairs for our outdoor area. You've seen the fencing. We've got heaps of outdoor pillows. We've got a little coffee table. We've got an umbrella. So at least after today's trip, we actually bought some stuff home and we can actually get started. So let's get into it before it gets dark and it starts raining again, because that is our luck. So Justin finished the barbecue last night. Very nice. Very nice. Nice clean grill. So beautiful.
Very nice.
You proud of your Barbie?
Yeah, love it.
Love it. So I think the first thing we need to do is this fence, because at least, you know, it'll feel like a big thing's done.
And you want to start at the back, work your way in so it's not in the way. So you'll do something like that.
Something like that. Well, it's much better than that. So it's now Friday night at 10:43. The kids just went to bed. Yeah, I know. They've been so hypo since Phoenix's birthday yesterday. They've got all these new toys, there's balloons everywhere. They just think it's a massive celebration, which is great, but me and Justin have a lot of stuff to do. So not so great. So obviously we were starting our backyard transformation, which is still happening. We have heaps of stuff here, but a lot of our stuff has been delayed in like shipping. So we're gonna have to put a hold on the backyard and reveal it in another video. So make sure you subscribe to see the result. It's gonna look really nice actually. I'm really excited. But yesterday was Phoenix's birthday, but we also got 2 pallets of stuff delivered from Sydney. So we still have heaps there, but we did get 2 pallets up. Look how big they are. They're like huge. So what we're hoping to do is start this tonight, start going through it, because not tomorrow but the next day, so Sunday, I've got the kids' new beds coming because I am doing up their room. So that's part of Phoenix's birthday present and Andre's early birthday present. So we thought we should start going through this stuff to see what's there and start organizing it before we start organizing inside. Does that make sense? I don't know. But there's not a lot of room in this garage because we just picked up our back table from Bunnings. That was a special order, so that got there on time. And we've got like a new lounge for our front lounge room, which we're also going to do up shortly, and heaps of stuff to do. But yeah, I think we should start getting into these pallets before it gets too late. Wish us luck. Got a lot of work to do. don't need it. Great. Dumb and fucking dum-dum. We're one pallet down. And we still have one big fat pallet to go. Okay, so we've just finished unloading the 2 pallets and now our garage is really full and every other room in the house. So I've already unpacked a couple of boxes of like linen. This is the kids' playroom. It's got a few things in it. And then as we walk through the house, we've sort of just dumped shit everywhere, hey? Like some in the hallway. There's some kids' boxes in here. Some more stuff in this room. Some more stuff in the kitchen. Yeah, there's just stuff everywhere. So I think I'm gonna try and get some of that stuff away tonight. Otherwise it's just gonna be chaos in the morning. So I think I'm gonna end off this vlog here. Tomorrow we are starting the kids' bedrooms. So make sure you tune in to see our next video. The kids' bedrooms are gonna look awesome. Hopefully by next weekend we will have everything we need to do the backyard. So we'll be able to finish our transformation in the video after that. So if you want to see that, make sure you click that subscribe button and turn on the little bell notification. That way you get notified every single time I upload. I would really love to have you as a subscriber. My channel is growing really nicely and it makes me really happy. So yeah, I'd love you guys to join the family. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. That also helps my channel so much. And I hope to see you back on my channel really soon. Mwah. Bye guys.